Day 3 of the 10 days of deals. It's going to be on Sunday, May 3rd, and the deal is 35% off on Maddox Auto Shop tools, equipment, and diagnostic products. I'm going to go over some of the options they have here in the store. I'm going to start off with the diagnostic products that they have. And they have a few different OBD2 code readers to choose from. So they have a basic one and offers these like different settings to it, which I'm not too familiar with it. This is probably going to be the cheapest option they offer at 45 bucks. Then the next one up is actually going to be one that's a recent addition to the lineup on this Maddox smart mobile device. Basically connect it through Bluetooth to your phone and you're able to do these different things with it. It says turn your phone or tablet into the diagnostic code reader. No cords or subscriptions are required. You can scan an unlimited number of vehicles with it. That's priced at 55 bucks. Then the next one up, which is a 2.8-inch touchscreen. This is what it looks like here. You can stream live data, smog tests, ABS codes, oil light reset, check engine. It also has Bluetooth capability. That's priced at 90 bucks. Then the next one up is priced at $200. And this one offers a 4.3-inch touchscreen, and it has these different settings to it, even including the TPMS code. And then the last one they have available is another 4.3-inch screen, and this one has, looks like more things you can do with that, including a network scan on this one, and that one's priced at 250 bucks. Again, I'm not too familiar with these Maddox brand of code readers, but be worth checking out the reviews on them, see if they're worth it or not. So in my opinion, I believe 35% off is a pretty solid deal on the Maddox brand of the different tools they offer. So it's certainly worth looking into the different options they have. And I'll cover some of the ones they do offer here in the store. And they have, for example, the deluxe compression test kit. Comes in a hard plastic case, priced at 55 bucks. Then they have the master diesel compression test kit. That's priced at 110. Then they have a deluxe fuel injection service kit, priced at 100 bucks. A fuel injection service kit, priced at 44. An engine and transmission oil pressure test kit, priced at 40. And they have a 17-piece master disconnect set. It's a complete set of disconnect tools for spring lock and quick disconnect coupling used on air conditioning, transmission, and fuel lines. So these are the different parts it comes with. That's priced at 40 bucks. They have a combustion leak detector, priced at 35. Next up is a pneumatic fan clutch wrench set, priced at 75. And a cooling system test and refill kit, priced at 85. And they have a radiator pressure test kit, priced at 130. The cylinder leak down tester, priced at 85. Next up is a 10-piece ball joint service kit for two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive vehicles, priced at 90. And they have a 21-piece front wheel bearing adapters kit, priced at 115. Next up is a two-piece McPherson strut spring compressor set, priced at 38. And then a strut spring compressor set for 120. And a 5-piece front-end service tool set, priced at 110. A 5-piece tie rod separator set. These are the pieces that it comes with. That's priced at 55 bucks. And then they have the inner tie rod tool set, priced at 60. And they even have an exhaust pipe expander kit, priced at 140 bucks, and a 12-piece pulley remover and installer set, priced at 38, and a variable pin spanner wrench. It's a universal design that fits most types of camshaft pulleys, crankshaft pulleys, and more, as a single that adjusts the wrench from 1.25 to 5 inches. That's priced at 35 bucks. And they have a Maddox large valve spring compressor that's priced at 70. And the deal should include the Maddox heavy duty automotive tire repair kit. This is the one that I recommend picking up if you're in the market for a tire repair kit, because it does come with multiple plugs as well as full metal tools to be able to do the plugs with. And it even has valve stem replacements and a knife and then a pair of needle nose pliers to pull out whatever you have stuck in the tire. That's priced at 25 bucks. So definitely worth a pick up at 35% off. And next up is a Maddox 16-piece lug nut master key set, priced at 100 bucks. And a universal locking lug nut removal set, priced at 45. And they have the Maddox version of the 11-piece disc brake pad and caliper service tool kit. So it'd be a good kit to have in case you did not pick up the Icon one when that was on a deal. This also looks like a decent kit, especially for this price at 42 bucks. So that'd be a good pickup at 35% off. Then they have the Maddox flaring toolkit that's priced at 70, and a 56-piece universal hydraulic brake flaring tool kit That's priced at 340 bucks. So you have excellent savings at that 35% off on this kit. And then the heavy duty oil filter wrench set. These all come in nice hard plastic cases, by the way, priced at 80 bucks. And they have a 52-piece harmonic balancer puller installer set. Comes with all these different bolts to it. Again, hard plastic case with a nice handle. That's priced at 88 bucks. And next up is the Maddox 12-volt high-performance inflator. It comes with a storage bag, 3 nozzle adapters, a 24-foot coil hose, and heavy-duty connectors. That's priced at 150 bucks there. So again, excellent savings to get 35% off of it. And the deal might include the Maddox 5-quart dispenser with lid and cap. We'll have to see for sure if it does or not. But that is priced at 13 bucks. And they have this Maddox 2-in-1 vacuum and pressure hand pump kit. So it's a dual vacuum. It generates either vacuum or pressure. So whatever you need to do, this is what the tool looks like. And then all the parts and pieces that it comes with. Again, in a hard plastic case to keep everything organized in. Says it includes 3 master cylinder refill plates with 12-ounce and 32-ounce brake fluid bottle adapters. And that's priced at 70 bucks. And next up, they have the Maddox 10-piece bearing race and seal driver set. That's 40 bucks normally there. And here's what they showed in the cart of clues of the 10 days of deals. It's the 1/2-inch drive wheel bearing lock nut set. That's priced at 90 bucks. Includes 7 of the most popular rounded and hex wheel bearing lock nut sockets. These are the sizes that it includes: 2 3/8, 2.5, 2 9/16, 2 3/4, a hex 2 3/8, and 2.5 and 55 millimeter. And here's what they look like. And a couple other Maddox offerings they have is the overhead valve spring compressor. It will facilitate the valve spring removal and valve stem seal replacement on most cars, vans, and light trucks. That's priced at 12 bucks. Then they have the Maddox exhaust tailpipe cutter. So it looks like it's a bunch of like cutting wheels installed on a chain. That's interesting. I've actually never seen one of these. So it's a 15 blade design that makes cuts quick and efficient with 90-degree rotation for use on 3/4 of an inch to 3 3/4 diameter exhaust pipes. And that's priced at 25 bucks. So those are the Maddox Auto Shop tools that I could find here in the store. So I think it's an excellent deal, saving 35% on the Maddox Auto Shop tools, equipment, and diagnostic products. Let me know down in the comments below if you're planning on stocking up on some Maddox brand tools or not. And if you gain any value from this video, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.